Hello? Okay, this is recording. Cool. I'm gonna have to edit this one. Alright, cool. Shit. Alright, so we're gonna do warm up 1 max 1020. Giving two positive integer values, return the larger value that is in the range 1020 inclusive, or return 0 if neither is in the range. Okay, that shit sounds pretty easy. So, given, let me move this over a little bit. Should be good now. Okay. Alright, what are we doing? Okay, so if A is less than, no, it's greater than or equal to 10, and if A is less than or equal to 20, okay, this is going to be one condition right here. Okay. Return the larger value that is in the range 1020 inclusive, or return 0 if neither. So one or the other could be in the range of 10 and 20, 10 to 20, and whatever one is in there, assuming if the other one is not in the range, will be returned. Right? Let's see. 11, 19, okay. Oh yeah, got it. Alright, so if A is in the range, hypothetically, right, let's just say it is. Alright, let's check the condition and see. So if A and B are in the range, right, say A and B is in the range of 10 to 20, what we're going to do is we're going to return the largest. So if A is less than B, I don't know, what if like both of them are equal to the same thing? Which one would you return? If A is less than B, you would return. Alright, well, let's see this right here. If A is less than or equal to B, you're gonna return A, otherwise you return B. No, the greater one, right? So you'd return B and A. Okay. So what this is called the, I always forget the name. Is it typer? No, not Tipperman. It's, what is it called? Ternary operator. There you go. So the ternary operator kind of works as so. Here you must test a condition. In this section right here, you'd have a case. So it'd be case, and then the case would be followed by a question mark. This is just the syntax. You'd have X, Y. So if this case or this Boolean would return true, say this is true, then this would, X would happen. If it's false, Y would happen. Okay? So here we're saying that if A is less than B, that means B is greater than A. So we just return B, otherwise A, because in the question is asking us to return the larger value that is in the range 1020 inclusive. Right? So now let's see, what if it's just one or the other? Say A is in the range, right? And say B is not in the range. So if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10, if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B is less than 10 and if B is greater than 20, so this condition is saying that if B or if B is greater than 20 and A is in the range of 10 to 20, then we're going to return A simply. Because it's saying that, or just in this test case right here, you can see that A is in between 10 and 20, but B is not in the range of 10 and 20. So you return A. A here is 11, so that's why you return 11. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy this right here, paste it. I'm just gonna change the numbers around. Not the numbers, but the signs. I'm gonna keep this as so. Greater than or equal, less than or equal. I'm gonna return B in this scenario. Else I'm gonna return 0. Let's see if this works. It worked all but for this one right here. I returned 0 instead of 10. And what about for this one? 9 and 11. I returned 0 instead of 11. So I think there's something wrong with these conditions here, I'd assume. So, oh, I know why. So if B is less than 10, so say A is in the range of 10 and 20, right? Which would be none of the ones I got wrong. Okay, let's move on to this one then. Say B is in the range of 10 and 20. Oh, is it this thing right here? Yeah, okay, cool. I just had the signs a bit messed up. I switched them over. But yeah, so this is how the algorithm works. So the first line is going to check if the integer values A and B are in the range of 10 to 20 inclusive, and if they are, we're going to return whichever one is greater. So if A is 11 and B is 19, this function will return B. How are we doing that? We're doing that by using the ternary operator, which states that a case must be stated first that returns a boolean true false, followed by a question mark just as syntax, and then if the case turns out to be true, we do the first case. Otherwise, we do A, or as I was explaining, like case question mark X Y. If this case is true, we do X. Otherwise, do Y. Okay. And then for these two, we're just checking to see which number is in the range of 10 to 20, and we're returning it. So if A is in the range of 10 to 20 and B is not in the range, we return A on the first case right here. And then on the second case, we return B because it is in the range of 10 to 20. Otherwise, we just return 0 because that means that A and B are not in the range. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, just leave them in the comment section or send me an email. Have a great day.